Warren Buffett is renowned for his expertise in the financial and stock markets, making him one of the most influential figures in these domains. With a personal wealth of approximately $70 billion that he accumulated from scratch, there are few individuals more qualified to provide financial advice. In this video, we will explore Buffett's recommendations as the third richest person in the world. Number 1. Warren Buffett's first advice: never lose money. Buffett once stated in an interview, "My first rule is to never lose money, and my second rule is to never forget the first rule." At first glance, this advice might seem obvious: who wants to lose money? However, upon closer examination, we often realize that we take risks or overlook certain aspects of our financial activities. This could range from an unnecessary purchase to a flawed investment or business venture. The key takeaway is that we should strive to avoid losing anything to achieve our desired outcomes, even if the probability is minuscule. Throughout his investment career, Buffett has adhered to this strategy, never engaging in ventures with even a 1% risk. For instance, while many invest in new technologies, Buffett has yet to enter that field. Number 2. Seek valuable assets at a discounted price. The price we pay represents the value we receive. Therefore, if we acquire an asset at a lower price relative to its value, we gain profit. Conversely, paying more than an asset's value leads to losses, thereby violating the first law. This principle is observable in stock and property purchases. Whether it's a stock or a sock, Buffett asserts that he purchases quality products or bonds when their prices have decreased. Number 3. Develop financial capabilities. Much of our behavior is driven by habits, many of which are deeply ingrained and go unnoticed. While we may have certain habits we dislike and aim to abandon, there are habits we should adopt, such as saving. Buffett emphasizes that our biggest challenge lies in learning the proper way to save. Number 4. Maintain liquidity. Under Warren Buffett's management, his holdings consistently maintain a cash reserve of $20 billion or more, allowing him to capitalize on favorable opportunities. This approach serves as a risk avoidance strategy. While it may cause him to miss out on some profitable investments, Buffett affirms that this simple strategy saved him and his company during the 2008 crisis when many businesses went bankrupt. While we may not have the means to set aside billions of dollars, we can accumulate a significant amount through small savings, ensuring we always have liquidity. This liquidity can be held in our bank accounts or invested in the stock market. It is crucial to remember that entrepreneurs lack a fixed income and experience both good and bad days. Therefore, liquidity serves as a safety net. Buffett emphasizes that having liquidity eliminates concerns, whereas its absence leads to constant preoccupation. Number 5. Invest in yourself. Always strive to invest in yourself. These investments can encompass your health, pursuing a fulfilling career, and continuous education. Buffett asserts that each step taken toward intellectual progress and personal growth will yield greater rewards in the future, enhancing your purchasing power. This type of investment generates a 1,000% profit, unlike financial resources that can be lost. Remember, no one can take away your abilities and knowledge. Number 6. Establish long-term goals. Novice investors in the stock market often attempt to ride every price wave and seize every opportunity, resulting in constant fluctuations between success and failure. To overcome this pattern, I recommend defining long-term goals and envisioning your future. Instead of fixating solely on profit, prioritize increasing your purchasing power. By adopting a long-term perspective, you will be better equipped to navigate the stock market and achieve sustained success. So, which of these recommendations resonates with you the most? Let us know in the comments below.